Hello everyone, want to start a new chat on DeepSeek? It's easy and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can start chatting in no time. First, open the DeepSeek app on your device. If you are already logged in, you'll be taken straight to the home screen. Once you are in, look up at the top right corner of your screen. There, you will spot the chat icon with a plus symbol into it. This is your go-to button for starting new conversations. Go ahead and tap on that symbol. As soon as you do, a new chat window will open up, allowing you to start a conversation right away. That's all there is to it. You have just opened a brand new chat window where you can type your message and begin chatting instantly. It's that easy. Once you open the chat window, you can either start chatting with someone from your contacts or tap the search bar to find someone new. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.